Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Please subscribe now and check the links in the description for the best deals on the featured products, and leave a comment sharing your thoughts about the items reviewed. Most drivers believe they are prepared for emergencies until the moment their car battery dies. A tire goes flat, or they get stranded late at night with no tools and no help nearby. In those situations, having the right safety kit isn't just useful. It can be the difference between confidently getting back on the road or waiting helplessly for hours. In today's countdown of the top 5 best safety kits, we are going to look at gear designed to save time, stress, and potentially even lives. These kits include essential tools, lighting solutions, first aid resources, and smart accessories that every vehicle should carry. By the end of this video, you will know exactly which kit fits your budget, your vehicle, and the level of preparedness you want. At number 5 is the car emergency kit with air compressor, jumper cables, first aid, tow strap, tire gauge, and headlamp. This kit includes a full-function portable air compressor that plugs into your standard 12V vehicle outlet, allowing you to inflate tires on demand. The heavy-duty jumper cables provide enough length and thickness to handle most common vehicle battery jumps, while a sturdy tow strap offers reassurance when stuck on uneven terrain or slippery roads. Its first aid kit includes bandages, gauze, antiseptic wipes, and basic wound care materials, organized in a compact pouch. The kit also contains a tire gauge for pressure checks and a headlamp that frees your hands when performing repairs in low light. Everything is packaged in a zippered carry bag that fits easily into a trunk or under-seat storage, making it ideal for both long trips and daily commuting. This emergency kit stands out for its completeness and practicality, giving you the tools necessary to handle most roadside breakdowns without relying on towing services or strangers. The addition of an air compressor is a major advantage because it eliminates the need to find a gas station or rely on flimsy portable pumps. The headlamp is especially useful if a problem occurs at night, and the jumper cables are vital for unexpected battery issues. Drivers who appreciate a one-bag solution made for real-world scenarios will find this model reassuring, especially for highway travel or rural driving. Although the compressor is not as powerful as standalone tire inflators, the car emergency kit with air compressor is still a reliable package worth buying. Coming in at number 4, the Emergency Roadside Kit for Car focuses on providing a wide range of automotive safety essentials in one carefully organized bag. The kit includes booster cables for battery jump starting, a reflective safety vest to increase visibility at night, a tow strap for minor recovery situations, and a set of work gloves to protect your hands during emergency handling. A compact first aid kit is also included, offering medical basics for treating small injuries. The storage bag itself is designed to be durable, easy to carry, and compact enough to store in virtually any vehicle interior. The combination of these components ensures that you can handle common roadside issues securely while staying visible to passing vehicles and first responders. This kit is ideal for non-technical users and new drivers who want coverage for common emergencies without feeling overwhelmed. The reflective vest is especially helpful because it keeps you safe when changing a tire or inspecting a breakdown at night. And the jump cables allow you to restore power in minutes if your car battery unexpectedly fails. The kit supports everyday drivers, Uber and Lyft operators, and city commuters who simply want peace of mind. While it does not include an air compressor or advanced tools, the Emergency Roadside Kit for Car is still an easy, confidence-building solution worth buying. Ranked third is the Lifeline AAA Premium Road Kit, which brings professional-grade preparedness backed by the trusted AAA brand. This kit includes a robust pair of jumper cables, a selection of high-quality tools including pliers, screwdrivers, and a utility knife, as well as a thermal blanket for emergencies in cold weather. The kit also comes with hazard warning equipment such as a reflective safety triangle that alerts passing drivers, and a comprehensive first aid kit with medical supplies that exceed basic cheap kits found in inferior products. Everything is packed into a durable, soft-sided bag with reinforced handles and branded AAA labeling, which signals safety and reliability. Its thoughtful layout keeps items separated to prevent clutter, making them easy to access quickly in stressful situations. The 808A kit stands out because it goes beyond the basics and adds durable, everyday use tools most drivers can actually benefit from. The included thermal blanket can be life-saving in winter breakdowns, and the hazard triangle serves as an on-road warning sign that professional tow truck drivers often use. This makes the kit ideal for long-distance highway drivers, RV users, and families taking road trips through remote areas. While it is slightly bulkier than smaller entry-level kits, the Lifeline AAAA Premium Road Kit is one of the most reliable and well-rounded options worth buying. In second place, the LED Road Flares 9-piece set. Emergency Lights Complete Car Safety Kit delivers specialized visibility tools engineered to keep you safe in dangerous roadside conditions. The kit includes multiple LED flares encased in rugged waterproof housings that function in heavy rain, snow, and low visibility environments. These flares emit bright 360-degree light, and each unit features multiple flashing modes that can be switched depending on the situation. The set includes mounting accessories and batteries, meaning they are ready to use immediately, and the storage case keeps everything neatly contained. Unlike traditional flares that burn out or pose fire hazards, these LED devices offer reusable and chemical-free illumination that can last for hours. This kit stands out as the best solution for roadside visibility, especially on highways or poorly lit rural areas where passing vehicles may not see you. The LED flares provide a stronger visual warning than reflective triangles alone, and the durable weatherproof design makes them trustworthy in real-world emergencies. They are excellent for police officers, delivery drivers, campers, and anyone who travels frequently at night. Although they do not include repair tools or first aid supplies, the LED Road Flares set is still an essential safety upgrade worth buying. Finally, at number 1, the THINKWORK Car Emergency Kit for teen girl and ladies' gifts is both stylish and thoughtfully equipped to handle real emergencies. This kit includes jumper cables, a tow strap, a portable tire inflator pump, a safety hammer, a thermal blanket, work gloves, a reflective triangle, and a compact first aid set. The included air pump plugs directly into the 12V socket for tire inflation, and the safety hammer features a window breaker and seatbelt cutter for extreme situations. The reflective triangle helps warn other drivers, and the compact medical kit offers basic treatment supplies. All items are organized inside a neatly designed pink storage bag, which makes it easy to locate in a trunk while also giving the set strong gift appeal for younger or new drivers. The THINKWORK kit is perfect for new drivers who want a well-equipped safety set that is not intimidating or overly industrial. Its color-coded bag makes it easy to identify in stressful situations, and the inclusion of a portable inflator means you can handle tire emergencies without waiting for roadside assistance. It is not only practical, but confidence-building, especially for teens and young adults learning car independence. While its bright color may not appeal to everyone, the THINKWORK Car Emergency Kit remains the most complete and user-friendly option worth buying. And there you have it, our top 5 best car safety kits. Whether you want a compact kit for everyday city driving or a fully loaded roadside bundle for long-distance travel, these products can make all the difference when things go wrong. Remember, nobody plans to have a breakdown, but being prepared is what separates a stressful emergency from a quick, confident solution. If you're ready to grab one of these kits, the best deals and updated prices are in the description below, so make sure to check those out. And now I want to hear from you. Which kit would you trust in your car? Have you ever used one in an emergency? Drop your thoughts or experiences in the comments, because your feedback can help other drivers stay safe on the road. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss another guide, gear breakdown, or review that helps you stay prepared and protected every time you drive.